It is such a pleasure to welcome you as we celebrate this grand opening of the Blinn College Waller Workforce and Technical Education Complex.
Today's celebration reflects what is possible when vision, partnership, and purpose come together. It is a testament to everyone here who believes in building something stronger for the future.
It's not just the academics that we need to be teaching, but the workforce development that will happen right here in this building. This is the future.
When their children get old enough to need the opportunities that are going to get them into the workforce and get them a career where they can feed their family and they can build their American dream, they're going to do it here at Blinn College.
Students that have come here are actually not going to have to leave the area to learn, and then they can basically continue living here and working and giving back.
Blinn College is excited about what lies ahead, and we are proud to be part of this journey with you.